Just doing my math. There's some cheese on it. Yes. Tell him that real good. May kulang ba? Okay, I go. May kulang ba? This is your just make a burger. That's a lot of cheese. How dare you?
May nag-order ng cheeseburger kanina, wala?
Ay, nakita ko kasi. I can put that.
Yes.
Can you put the
Cheese in the center of your ano.
I cannot get it.
After that, mabibigyan ko kayo ng packet and you will put po sa inside. Hold it.
Ganito ba?
Mamaya na bakal. Okay, wait.
This is right.
Kayo na lang po lahat po ng patty. Center.
I have it put in the center.
Then you have the other one, this one.
Kinain na ni Katie.
Yeah. After that, you will put it in the center.
Put it down your knife, Katie.
Then, lahat po ng burgers natin, put po natin sa gitna.
I'm gonna eat it.
Later.
I
No.
No.
Lahat po dapat nakaharap sa inyo, pa-rectangle po dapat.
Rectangle? The burger is upside down.
Bakit po ako kan? Iharap mo ano.
Hindi ko pa
After that, you wrap it. Other side naman po.
Burgers! It's hard to wrap. Done now!
Okay, then get
Can I eat burgers? Somebody's eating it.